कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
पहिले म्हण तुका कितें आमी ताडमाड देवस्थाना फुडल्यान आहा, तुमकां दिसता टेम्पलाक कितें जालां अशें? तुमकां दिसता ना तुमकां दिसता टेम्पल कोसळ्ळा, टेम्पल केला, झाडाक कितें जालां? 10 मीटर 15 मीटर तरी पयस आहा आमी. सो अशें डिस्टॉर्टेड वर्शन घालनाका. टेम्पल कोसळटा, वडाचें झाड पडटा. तुमी पळया न्ही, तुमी पळया, तुमी म्हाका विचारता, तुमीच पळया, मेज टेप लावया, मेजया कितले पयस आहा तें. सो वन थिंग इज द टेम्पल एंड द श्राइन इज टोटली सेफ. The banyan tree is totally safe. We are almost 10-12 meters away from it. This is point one. Secondly, तुम्ही म्हणता ते आम्ही काम सोडून गेले, अबॅन्डन केले. आम्ही खंय अबॅन्डन करूंक ना. आज आमचे 60 लेबर हांगा कामाक आहा. कालूय तशेंच जाल्ले स्ट्रेंथ. आमी खंय वचपाचें ना. आमी 5:30 काम बंद करता. काम हांगा 12 मीटर बिलो सी लेवल जाल्लें आहा. तुमी पळयलां. आतां तुमीच भोंवताले कामा फुडल्यान. थंय कावूक जातकच हांव मनीस सोडपाक शकना. वी हॅव टू सी द सेफ्टी ऑफ माय ह्युमन रिसोर्स ऑल्सो, एंड आय एम व्हेरी केअरफूल अबाउट इट. Whatever people may say that we have abandoned our work, whatever, it is wrong. It is totally a distorted version. We have our timings. Just because we work elsewhere in the night, there are certain areas where we don't work in the night and we avoid working. They were working till 7. We have said you work till 5. Because moment it is dark in that trench, we don't want a human person to go there. This is point 2. Point 3, you all said that gutter has collapsed, retaining wall. There is no retaining wall here. There is a gutter. There is a gas pipeline also going there. We have cut the gutter in certain area to avoid confrontation with the gas pipeline. Gas pipeline is also live. Sewage line is also live. Water line is also live. BSNL is also live. Everything is live here. In that circumstance we are working. We have to dodge these live services. So kindly understand the complexity and the challenge here. And it is 12 meters deep. It is, and we have to do it manually. No machine can do it. We tried with a machine. The soil structure is such that it has collapsed.
तुम्ही सर सॉयल स्ट्रक्चर म्हटले, आम्ही आता पहिले की ते इल्ली बाय सायडीतली माती बी कोसळ्ळा, ह्या सॉयलीक लागून हे काम जे आता करता त्याचे गॅरंटी किंवा क्वालिटी तुम्ही किती सांगू शकता, कितली आसतली?
पळय, तुम्ही कित्याची क्वालिटी विचारता? आम्ही फक्त खंटा आणि उस्पिता माती, ताजी क्वालिटी. की पायपाची क्वालिटी जाय तुका, की आम्ही सुवेज घालता पोनाक, कितें क्वालिटी विचारता? पायप पळयला मरे तुमी, सगळे पणजेन तेच पायप घाला. आमी तूं म्हाका सेफ्टी विचारता जाल्यार मान्य. तुमी पळयला शोरींग कितें केला तें, नाल्यार मनीस कसो वतलो? सेटलमेंट जाला, हांव ना म्हणना. माती पळयल्या कसली ती, रेंवती. It is very close to Santinez Creek. Water level is at 1.25 meters. We are at 12 meters. So kindly understand the situation. Don't sensationalize the issue. We are very much aware here. We have our engineers on the site. It is being monitored time to time. I do not want this sensationalized, but I cannot help it. You all have put this thing. You all have not taken our views, and now you have come. I have seen. You show me where the temple is in danger. You show me where the drain has collapsed. So just don't unnecessarily put fear in the minds of people. Bring the morale of my team down. This is not right. I can only appeal to you. I cannot hold you responsible or whatever. It is my appeal.
By 31st sir काम complete झाले.
I am trying.
Yes sir.
We are trying very hard. You see, it is not easy. It is manual. So I am trying my best, and it is not that we are working here now. We are working here for the past 1 year. It is that much of a challenge. Secondly, you said the water line under pressure did develop a leak. Leak झाली त्यांना ते उदक थंय भायर सरताना सेटलमेंट जाले मातयेचे, हे मान्य. पूण ते सेटलमेंट भितर वचूंक ना. आमचे शोरींग हा, मनशाक कांय जावंक ना. आणि ते सेटलमेंट जाय ना जावपाक आमी आमची लायन बंद केली. लीक फुडें वचूंक ना. बारीक लीक आशिल्ली ती आमी फुडें जावची न्हय म्हूण आमी बंद केले. अँड 3 buildings which are government quarters were deprived of tap water. They were not deprived of water. We have given them tanker water, and by 5 o'clock we will give them back the tap water through an alternate line. And this we admit.
आता जे काम कंप्लीट झाल्या, स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां कंप्लीट झाल्या, आतां इन चान्स इन फ्युचर समजा कितें आमकां म्हणजे तितून कितें फॉल्ट मेळटा किंवा ज्या क्वॉलिटी येता तर सर्टन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर तुमी कितें एक्शन घेतलें कितें ताकाच सांगलें करपाक.
See, we have not completed the project. After the project is completed, certain rectification measures which are there, we will carry on. We are also not abandoning, as you say. We are just trying our works and whatever rectification, and we are in touch with the people. There are people who have pointed out rectification. There are people who have been talking to us to show how the tactiles and the disabled friendly methods have to be employed. We are talking to people. And people in Santines know us. We have worked here for the past 1 year. People have seen the benefits of the road. And people also know how challenging this is. So I just appeal to you, don't sensationalize this.